Okay, assalamualaikum badanga kodongal bismillah. Kali aja title do nyamen drong nata janna just to make some analysis and also response and clarification on some of the issues me alango President Adama Barrow. Nina kewa mala be jang koringo jeng kay koringo jeng bayola mala wala Barrow la former bodyguard. But by the way, by nyanta nyum bulala don doli ado. But anyway, bayo ngi konto ma ngi bismillah. You can do the introduction. Say fang isa mul content bro. Deni baje la ko c'est dum programme ñu kono. First nga ba start la no President Adam Barrow fon la video ñu na bari jannim be video analyze la properly is better nga itanda la nga fa itanda la fon e même fo ko jokore ka dia wolo fon da kono. Akana kallan na benti ay même fo nga sambana lay jall live jahara mo be ajibe mo be ala may fana. Then wokola sina response kijam, but it's good to have Bayo here. Me alanga defang be bir kamera kansula no jedo kula la mate kansula la mate. So Bayo baraka bage isa mol kontong ibe mute ne bonne mute. Okay, isa mol konton then we go ahead with the program. Baraka.
Yeah, abaraka bage. I mean Sokuda. Katonya lim Filibante ya bondi nyoko no. Wala yatinda ni suto ñun tembela na redro fa ñi kibaro bonni mo la ñu manda na wuli
Bayo is useful when it comes to the network. What I'm gonna do is me Bayo bonni la follow, then after me nga follow president fon la kuma kan la, then in between ngalonko Bayo will try to sort himself out and come back to the stream. So me president la kuma kan mbolo follow play la, then ibaje la ko nim na da rombara. Actually listen to it already, so we can continue with the analysis. Bayo, you can come back.
No satelo mela en wati le fanang
te dekala buma gigitam
ngale na ministre la diamol moy
ye dega gen ministre ci liñ wax
mina silol men doku la jal
yoon yi fi wara liggéey bir kama
ñi silol fon la doku ñanta jumale ma
ñi sa yoon liggéey yoon yi ñana ko wara def
alla area council chairman o membe je wala doku modi sate ko silol matel la doku
area council sen chairman bi ak council ci liggéey yoon yi dekay ñoko wara liggéey
bar ni chairman o soto
waaye soo amee chairman ci council bi
mais ya lon ko kadu yatata carte fawlo ya sindi lumme
ba nga xamee ne ni kera bañ ko falee mu toog fa
ate nin kelo dronde be ñola
moom xuloo xeex rek la
ani sonko dronde be ñola
moom mu ngi xuloo rek
wo time soto pour ka doku ka
kooku amul waxtu wala joti liggéey xuloo rek la am jot
moome ya lon ko hani mbalito abuka kono
ma ne koo xam ne ni banta sax du koy mbali sax du koy mën a
ila marché o membe la office bu ndara tumbol bije
ma ne marché bi sa ci bunti office am sax yang fa
aussi silo dokunu
kooku ndax mun na leen a liggéeyal yoon
kabi nga la diamo la moy
ba ma déggee ay waxam
ako woot nitel winta be $5 million ya wala di la wala
ne woot bu nekk juróomi million yi dalasi laa joxe
yàlla min kuur la naa jaakal ka
mu ne xam nga ni koo xam ne ni su jaaxlee
fotkat su jaaxlee kuur la naa jaakal ka
mu ne fóotkat su jaaxlee
aka daa jola tupa bulootu
mu ne dafay tufli ci loxoom pour fóotee ko
way daa jaakal ta
jaaxle na du jël ndox pour fóot
ndeka silol men dooku
man yoon yi maa liggéey
silol men daa diyaata beeti
yoon bi nga xam ne moo gën a neex njëg
kilomètre $25 million
benn kilomètre liñ cay dépa $20 million ci
say wacce ki kilomètre lulu do mo $125 million
mu ne kon su fekkee ne loolu $1 million $5 million bi ñoo
ate ka fo $5 million le di la woot la
moom mu ne loolu la war a jox woot bu nekk
la ñuy jaakal ta
kon kooku jaaxle na
hani marché o men babu en de ngala marché o do
même marché bii nekk fii itam
marché o men beje men doku to marché ko non telle nga doku
marché bi sampa fii biir Kaama nguur gi ñoo ko sax
ate mu marché la doku
moom ban marché la fi sampa
ay silajo na la doku
ban yoon la leen liggéeyal
akal la mbalito koole ba
yone seen mbali di mënu ko buub
o be mun keno dal telle
kon loolu la leen war a defal
wala ya kendi
mu ne looloo tax
nga plano do soro dum pour que marché o lo bir Kama jang
amoon naa plan pour sampa marché biir Kaama
marché o men warta Gambia beedi lafta wala lola no bir Kama
marché bi gën a rëy ci Gambia laa fi bëggoon a sampa
bari nga demande ni que pilot project ka volé pilot
waaye dafa am luñ seetoon rek def ko pilot project
bitiki tansa nga wala doku
fanweeri bitik lañ fa sampoon
hani sa ani gouverneur be sonkol
bente mu ngi xuloo ak gouverneur ci loolu
hani bi ani gouverneur be sonkol
moom gouverneur bi ñu ngi jàppoo ci loolu
ako fatale o tamandi man sakunda date tar law kono fereng
ne moom mooy doxal council lu ñooy doxal marché boobu nguur gi na ci génnee loxo
ngoye kon tel nga na ko doke dame kon tel dadi tar law kon
ma ne leen nguur gi fi ñu dépasse xaalisam nga ne ñun duñ ci bokka
right now marché o ñing gouverneur lu ba mané
léegi gouverneur moo amee marché bi
wala fa dal tel la
kooku ndax kooku bugga na leen
o marché o ñantame lola nu
marché biñ buggoon a sampa fii
bitiki wuli kilim bitiki kene fula
junne ak ñaar téeméeri bitik la doon jël
ngom ministre wollandi folo de
ma ne ministre bi boobu tegee ko boor
2027
2027
ni nga la ñin chairman o bondi
si chairman bi suñ ko fa
Isina o marché o loolu
sampal leen marché boobu
Amad Ba ya fo jarni
honorable Ba wax na ko fi
ni nga fem fo
lépp lu ma wax
ala kam mako
yàlla dafa dee dimbale
nga keno le fa
te dinaa ko dee def
na lafta marché o la bitiki wuli kilim bitiki keme fula
junne bitik ak ñaar téeméer
alla ñin chairman ala bondi ji
seen chairman bi ci génn
naali ya bondi je dro
ngeen ko fa génnee
albi marché o sot
di ngeen am marché
bar
boobu
ni ñin chairman o la be je
waaye chairman bi su fa
albi
nekkee
marché sot
kon du ngeen ko am
al lafta marché o la ba
da ngeen bëggoon marché
al lafta marché la le
bu ngeen ngeen ko
al chairman o bondi
kon génnee leen fa chairman bi
wodro bal ni marché o te
loolu rek moo leen di indil marché boobu
Okay, albe bakar mankama moyle president Baro ba ngai jibe follow foila mai go be correctly man saying is everything okay now?
Yeah, everything is okay.
Okay, everything is okay. So nyingai kuwati ya moyle Baro kuma kangol memfo. The key points I menu for wala nyiliko marché with the biggest capacity marché ala ko lo Gambia be gono. Ala ko lo Brikama, but unfortunately amam pare ka lo funata no ko Yankuba Dawo Botaje as chairman. So that means West Coast ngole carte o mem fay meye, you don't want to even respect it. That is disrespectful and I don't know condescending in a way because mole choice like yela mo tombong itena de ko iteni wote do ko kala. So mo jani mo be sile ba fle fay ko Yankuba malafani government do ko ke. I think you need to listen to this. And I'll be amoyle Yankuba la statement o men I have kununko. Is it kunung fangolam? Atara sate dolo is it tintinto brufut. Ayanta doko do kele je ay marché do le je so inata ka fay ko lafte bridge yele nye bridge fana do ko nyana bridge nga problème so ja ko nimda tambita enarele bari ndol fana man approval soto entenano dro nga do ko man approval soto bida nge consult wala ngana sumandiro be nga consult ni tol man approval nan ta lono la comme loi fa nyamen dro but bayo bari network ko Kenya ron kana tambi ba analysis kono ngebule yetambi. I want to ask you yamuna dogo la marché kon because akata la marché dogo.
Yeah, wonderful. President wala nyindi amonye diam le meya lonko anyanda kala West Coast ngole nyaayela rawonti. Nyaaji be president ko be kuma kan wol mel fo kanje nendir balem West Coast ngol kan. Bari West Coast ngole carte o fayatele ataya fane. And West Coast ngo kilingol le carte o fay Yankuba Dawo. Ne atra West Coast ngole carte o fayate. Ya carte o fay Yankuba Dawo. Mami la fenya da tarla mansa kunda ko me ya lonko atla mansa kunda sa kenu bari ila mansa kunda ko ita kila funi atara ye weskun ko da ye condition ka je ko na lafta men akolo den bullo ba na lafta nake albe men kala wala min ko alla kiyama no me am ale wala kambo bon la fol so sai na si na jipe sa wa de kuma kan men moyla mola me ya lonko wala ka diamu masakunda ringol tema aning na alamadi wala nyanto la kola sama be lefle la kawla moy na jibe o jabiro bola na bulol mel karola bari ni ajibe kama Yankuba Dawo kabana da bitama la kanso anam abuga bala masakunda ma fenna me ya lonko molla nafa be woloto molla nafa be fenferni ndo abuga bala masakunda fenna woto mo be woloto tabe ba tinda masa kuta belo le ba fula West Coast ngole ko ne atara atul laftan to liye development ko West Coast auto atul be aliyem moment sindi ale bolata ale abun ay nyaaye la ran fele West Coast ngole nyaaye la ran fele ba yalla woli fa me yun ko be diente kiyama Yankuba Dawo ay ko kilna ko don't steal don't lie job rek bon yaaji be recently ay mantara do bondi me ya lonko aka fuko keep them busy.
Yeah, keep them busy.
Keep them busy. Yeah, the word "keep them busy" is now even making the president busy.
Yeah.
abe president fon sante aba bisinti kam baake yaaji be president atata mitongol dol mel beto be ke gara wolle diam balleti among more development call for no nyam
Yeah.
especially about the West Coast kono be ke ya jambe discussion do net
Yeah.
bare kababa to the West Coast bugo yang kwanda kabrai akuma na ko West Coast ko le ko ning atara ali karto fay ndol ba make sure le ko na fulo so na fulo me ya lonko abelari ngel nyanta ka so na bar mata kunala balal ning ala ke nin to le access to na fulo nyinda do ko kala West Coast kono le bal murdo ko donke tundo le million lulu dilel pour atol fongol sa te mol fongol le si ya fo ko sulo to nyina la janni masa kunda kana mbatu de fane yinke masa kunda bas na timandi barkabe yanko bayo 5 million kumo nyum fo million lulu kumo nyum fo ay masa kunda jijale ay atinna president lo ta political platform to amon ken sura le non fala nyinto ko ka kabirin 2017 ay development no men ke West Coast ka be killing fo yanko da bo sembo wara batale Yankuba Dabo leaderity. Yankuba Dabo.
No, but you know, of course, we will focus on the issue of Yankuba and the BAC. But I think the greater disrespect, anung coming kabrin colonial days, no problem men sa Gambia. I think what problem will continue ka wala mundi. Tubabol coming for the personalization of power. Because baroka me itandi wala mbenyin kela barnale nyinke. Anung the biggest contradiction from moment wala inda baro kilo during this talk from abaita ni kamola ko ya jambe yake janne ako ata kiando kula ako ake badi bunun kol nin kianko lab akate do kula foni sondama. So you are using literally the same thing baro bola ke kam ba ntel ka masa kuna falin ni diam politiko la president na is almost the same thing leadership han minu man tum fa masa kunda ko ne kaje ko they are trying to they emulate the mistakes of the past leaders because nim ya jambe weke ko amang betea mbe kafto nyoma fo nga kila bi abe equatorial jina abe kam pour kam morna ya onasan ite kilon kana lo ko platform rek amole ko na lafta nga marché kendo ila le jam albe ñine bondi la je ñi membe jala bondi je so that means ikaita ni la ko ibe conditional la kan taxpayers me alon ko itella la kodo begul adum ba what is even more painful wala ñini ko before ñi nene kuma do la fanam NPP ko la fanalo da barona la moli ko momo ka fa mole ko taxpayers moni le ka Gambia develop ba di Gambia ko billahi wallahi taala hana tarnu momo man la fi UDP la du ko rek kana karto fay baroy ko hani momo ya lon ko iko momo ka fo faye ko taxpayers money wala ka banko dogu ke fa mol nene Gambia is a tax based economy tax la mu remittance and tourism demanding ye family to la fa na ko do ngaki je hanu dodo ko na ko do ka banko ni samba sa ko do ni ka bo min to la because baro adama baro imaja ka diamu nyama ka diamle asif ateleka ko every ataka silol men do ko the cheapest is 25 million per kilometer baro ko do ni min to baro bo soto non min tole atarantol ma ke president hande me ala ko fenda mbulu bi nyen keje nse ko silo do kuno melan ko abe 2 million per kilometer mune gera because mansa kundala ko do wala bembul so bar mansa kundala ko do ibu kayita ni mo la ko atolle la ko do mu nyindi e kayita ni la kontel la ko do ite bar ko e wala no andi da mansa kunda kiri ngoy ba sirin ko do ga melan ko wala nyanda na in the case of Brikama Area Council West Coast KM all these councils ko do be bul melan ko nyanda ka dila loi ya fa manson ka dila so literally by this is like coming idan ni ko ata pareta sa en kanyin council so mrake suffocate let them not succeed in anything aba atol be membe ke kan is good that youngs is creative enough and in tesitol nara fansu maintenance and construction engineering team ona dina melango e ka project ko ke aka tip but aitan ko ata man pare ka fenke and nyim fana aitan ko mane ye men be ke Allah dularo marché ko no wodi amol membe gulta barole ba koma because baro ya itan le komen ko ay fasaro kenyum la dole on a contentious issue wala ñi ko governor ba try kan ka sembo men exercise in West Coast baro sonotale itan le komen ko in fact I want to ask you akata atele ba marale marshal I really want that clarification from you ako governor ba marale marshal how true is that
okay so men kera wala ñi ko kabirin jan to kanana silvo son ko le jamalo la masakunda e marshal mello Brikama marshal to ye birika tanseni se lebeje o birika tanseni se woni kabirun ton nata atra chabol be don ton lebulu bari ina na kan ye chabol be ta chew kabel sirfo be je non chabol be non kansulle but kabin to na do na council ye chabol data ye be sama governor office
okay so itele development doku be sirfo be ye chabol be council level
everything was at the council
atol nata ye chabo be busala
kabin to na chabo be mutam bul sai chabo be governor bul and governor loi mo sembe di governor member na governor be marsa o mar loi to ni ajibe loi men tan di worni ko council la nyanta ka marsa o mara ani ka marsa o da ka toboto marsa marsa kunda nyanta ka nan ka mo men di council la pour council se nyin do pol keno mazakunda man lafi mazakunda man dar kaw di council la men tembo men kono bari o be kamala dol ben do mo ke kan ni aji bi kama marsa o kabrin ton nata na stol mel create je bi ko itol ka bi ka to ka sto tanse ni se lafo bari kabrin ton nata mom bu nyolo no de bari because of mol la nyanto kamala na menke na marsa wol tale zafu marsa wala ma fan kilo woni na be do kule na blika almost 400 blika kemenani no yo soto jere me yalla ko bi o bi ko mol be je be wafirul ki ka be dimbal balum
so na hold on marse kantin tanzania sayo membe tol bulu men chabo be bulu jumala ka namo kanen
itola ka namo kanen
hold on itola ka namo kanen jumala ka fita
itola ka fita
okay you see so they control 88 cantines ika namo kanen okay ibuka fita
an fe buka ke buka na manke din karo fata yana je ko do ta ondo wala ta banke ko do joje ko do jin kaka nyamen tol malo fumba bi men ko malo sanji saba sai on mo sanji saba ko do be kata governor yale tol malo ko do kata nyame ko do jelle ko lek malo anu ko do ndol nyata ka woleta ka murundi west coast kol ka nyata ka silol do ku wala nyata ka marsaw do ku wala la nyata ka drain jo do ku wala nyata ka dinno wala karamu jo wala kono nyata ka ino mol me yalla ko nan kende nyata ke ma ko wala kono ngal laptanul ma ko wala kono I mean police ni sojaro ila blal to nila ila
alga brigade police station alke ma ko fitarola ila kamo because last time ngaja ikale ila kamo empty
everything dolla ke la kamota ila kamo dolla ka beta dolla ka saba ila nyat li nyala dolla ka be fita cew mu kan dulo ko do nyat li nyala dolla ka be fita cew ado ko be ben dolla kam bar sai mo sa kunda ina yedol balu na fulora be bulu million nan kamo mem ni acik bi sanji saba a million nan kamo mem abe siabal nyajibe
okay I want to ask you something else just for public consumption more be I understand because yala law bla fo problem mem fo be bo dara ko sunka mem be fo abunga ba be ka bona nyebungol nyinga abe jumala ko an jumala ka namo kanen an jumala ka fita
okay nyebon abe masakunda la ko minister of forestry abo fisheries abo labulu abe ministry of fisheries labulu bari minister of fisheries na manke kanaka namo kaninje kanaka namo ko me
wo fanan atole ka aka geomental generate ja kata soko ye kono atole ka fanan bon
dolla ka be bon geomen ka jane soko ye kono ka marché o fita everything are responsible gaje be fita dolla ka responsibility ta ninje ket nyaaw nyam ni atro no biya man ken dolla lo tinol montol maje ko west coast dungul wala kadro fa entolo o ontol maje dol malaf ko wala si tumbol kono malaf si fennoro kono wala atina na moto na tanki fula no wala san kansunda ka tankol be fuel everything ka kalo woto lungolo ni joka de yen ka saba pudna
so alga drainage ni alga fm ko ni alga asabale lungolung right or every 2 days
almost every day ka saba
and no, that comes at your cost troko alga wol alia fuel alia sangalia londo because I understand ko tanka fanga PC wol to bage ka sabaro ke je
ye tanka yin ka lo fon ko tanka yin ka tara wala to ka je ko udla je kana flow jiobe ka jana je too much glasso men be kana jiobe everything isan dolla na moto full sound 2 tankers no less or 2 tankers will be nga make sure the car go right no ta no blood na
okay so I believe Jawa is the market manager, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the market manager is saying the government is the ones collecting the revenue. So just some random guys on the internet, you know, Marseka Sunkane, please understand this for one last time. Ko o Marseka kuna sunkango beka bo nyebu wamendo. Barona la mola beto lekor. Itelega ramo kani ika kodo beta ika samba da meto lalo. but Brikama area council troko menda troko fo ma siebul troko be lori nyame alon ko every day wala ka lo la ka jëm ka saba ni wo fata
every day
yajel na fata ni wo bonda wala ka wo sunkaw ni wo jol be sabo marché kon. So you see, how can we coexist like this as an administration, the central government and the council, I mean? How can they coexist like this? Mundo kusibala nyit.
no wondifa yalon wondifa barona la molu yalon gambe no nyota ko na faham la jam yaji alama do ni linta alama do ko ta do ko ke mol betar lay fere wallahi mol betar lay fere adno ala betar lay fere yaji barona la molu ina da bir tamale ye fon expose ha ye fon expose to the people do yalon wondifa gambe mol baro illahi di jelli West Coast Kola. Bayo, can you answer this question
on the screen, please? When they collect the money, did they give it back to the council? Or maybe Jao can respond to him, because Jao is the market manager.
They don't give it back. They don't give it back. Since we came, all the money can collect in that stores. Almost at 8 stores. Was stores sold Julu. Kabin tole check no. Na stores sold rent Kenyame. Store dol mel warata wal 3,000 melma wara 2,000 every month.
Wow, so but you mean canteens of about 2,000 to 3,000, 80, you got 88 of them, right?
Yeah, 88 stores,
88 by only 2,000. Let me say 2,000 wrong. 100 man for 2,000 by or 3,000. That alone is 176,000 a month.
Yeah, so
that by 12 is already 2.1 million. I mean, these people are collecting a fortune from that place. And we are just going by 2,000 per stall. Not long because now they are more than that, they are up to 3,000. So by bare minimum, these people are collecting 2 million from just working down counting 88. You understand? What is fish market? Because fish market for collect labor.
Yeah, so I give it. So right now, government be this
is crazy, man.
That market. So I can't have Molioko, Molianta, I mean, Molianta come more, but the mayor long.
No, still now, Bayo. I think we need to highlight one more thing. Because the council from the council Tora Kanyama, because can you remember these are all bodies, many of central government council count. You got revenue collect, the last one I think is the garage, right?
Yeah, it's the garage. Yes.
The car park, Brikama car park.
No, Brikama car park. Okay, car park Ganyame. Ya jembe car park tap from the council's lake. Car park a national road authorities in the blue. But with all that council lake fita, council
exactly.
But it can make it every 3 months it can become equalization fund. Every 3 months or every 6 months is a 900,000, 1.2 million, 1.5 million. It's someone the council land. It go only generate nyame. You go ka bond fuel all that. But side men kana the equality council don't know about it. The percentage.
Come it decide the men dia yo murundal kanje. But it after comment ko okay this time ngani realize je alna nga jibe mbakale nyama loi to based on loi afunya nga divide.
Yes, according to the agreement, the number of percentage mentioned the council bugasi ya boto it will mean dia te ka wala siko drong ene ya siko ya di council la e ko ke wala nyam yasan so but wala jela responsibility be council le ka je fana de responsibility ta so ba yelo ko di masakunda itolu membe je wala nyinto ko itolu imalla fi ka je ko council under the leadership of chairman Yankwada to lead Doko Keno. But in a Jahalo government, all of you many naful bulla be able to Julia. Purukana naful soto. But answer you Doko Keka, Wallake Jahal. But remember Jahal, all of you go. Yakuba of the roto. Yellow, they don't deny. Kafoko, I million look moment for attacking. I don't know because I will justify it. They all know Pasakeno. Sai ka mentani wala nduko sambe be madum solo komen ka kodi jama men so molle namo e ka men so adika julol melta ya dol manta julo ta ko man ka fuko ngana development on la bay to ka julol melta molle ko do mel yalon ko be jola yesi ida mali aji ya tala nyotema ye kilometer price men diate ya tege ibe doko men ka doko ibe nyala mala do bugo to yalla noko to la wato bantale bari be na men kala ibe elephant project sol la kala ni to bo raje sanji flow silolu ye tinya atara million yo la sika ye du do dula nyinto. This is what this government is doing. But ni aji kam fo mo le won nyinto ko yankuba la maralo koto abe menke kan abe Gambian ko abe local wolleli because it's forcing the government pour accountability and transparency abe masakunda for saka wolle ka muru procès saji wala saji konondo par exemple na menke go wondi pa bi abe wala ke kan kada kabri yankuba diamuta because ye mello yankuba wala buntu ko kabana office kabra be kabri ay même fo almost I already promised during his campaign almost.
Ibn Sekou Kaba, you are about to be blocked from my platform. If you use any language, me alongo I'm nice. You are here, you are free to support the president openly. But near one more foul language, you are out and I'll block because Meda game monitor for about several months now. It's your last chance. Okay? You can continue to support the president, but don't use foul language. But I'll continue.
Yeah. So niaji be science thing korosiro nyanta tara damen yalo nimman sa diamuta banko don nyanta ka lamoy ali haklo le bak ni ala moy ali haklo la ibalo na fa mansa ben fere kan bank fonto le be mansa fere ka bare mbete momento mansa ko akan to le fere ba mansa tan to fere no la fam bare mbete momento there is no ama mansa ma exclusion of member na do ko kala by process one kala I mean keep them busy. One Yankuba ko all that will keep them busy. They will be busy and they must be ready to hold accountable of everything the men can Bangkok and Jack. Kilometer 25 billion. Say, 25 million at half. I have a Gambian call, Okono Buramuntore. I have a Gambian call for Italy opportunity in your council level. Two council store young Kodofan and collector. Yellow is completely clear. But Maron Mombalanko, Yakuba 5 million member. Come attention the atara it will opportunity diala they would never and ever come out coordinate because the atara it will silo di yankuba la pour ay do ko ke do jam imo minister of the masaba we mi defo ako yankuba kamon na ako we na mo la fal wonyon fili bante akuma la be solo la ni banko kanja kabi yankuba na de kamera ka na mo kilinte je me ya lonko aya kafu ha namu kilinta je me yalo ka bari because me keta yalo no ko amati moto be yanko bal akato balal pour que na fu jama ka fu nyokan kamuru ni mol ka e modina no de bari sai same ko quand même fu wala ni ko kafani yalla kan ka tella ka me yalo ka mo su ko ni ko ay namu la para wala tin abini yon namu bondi kan li so you see jamu hakili ba jibe la balti nyale ajibe sai yanko mo namu ka ha yago mun nam bari jam fana hakku ko be damin to wala min ko ni atara mansa kunna e silo bulani kansuli binyaji be bursu bi nyolto sallaji nyolto wulim kama nyolto kamana e apo do kana
and by the way sorry haya ko tunye bayo just for the record because politique diamolom ni moy kuma do fa hana man kuma fo me yalonga ni silo manda se mol hakilo do you know akwal kuma ko na fa akal ma marché do can we just browse some of the and I think Kunun ne fangal bada marché inauguration right 3
yes so
and the Brikama marché area kan Brikama marché fango kono even do alni lo songo wado kono alni be nyosa bakan keno mene do lela faka you know ken ele faka keno nyinda puta fanga atol na la banka stol do lo molie
wani ba
kutamal
400 stores 400 bidika tanna e bidika kemenal Brikama kono Brikama marché kono bidika kemenal kabirin nata na men create Brikama marché kono kabin na lamente akon ko naje be du ko do ko la be level every na be mol settle mol yela store so loje Bidika kemenani ko no le create mayalon ko bi business la kemenani no le create kabin na marché kono bel yalon ko man sidulal so ti bay silol kan ya bay dulal to bi wolle bo dulal to bi Brikama marché to je kabin don na mu do ko de na marché o mello hunu na marché sabo mel ta na mel wala ka da marché tang alim fulat me ya long a complete tango fula o tang tanim fula tan saba
so at least a dozen markets alla na nim santema marché tanim feng anale kor me alon ko abeka na through this world development projects world development funds la
marché tan ni fe marché tan anim fula me yalon already le quand même fo science na men inaugurate na men yele man me yele mawol kontide marché wol me yalon ko mawol yele mawol kontide bar marché wol me yalon ko nawol yele kawol kontide marché wol me yalon ko e complete dol be complete mawol yele mawol kontide me yalon ko be complete
me inaugurate dama
me yalon ko ibe complete kan mawul fana be faje me yalon ko ntole kabrin na sanji amin sanji fulas adin karwor be kala December be kala karwor na mendo ku West Coast kono follow na bohol Messi West Coast kono follow sansante asia da bohol tan sawani pent na Messi West Coast kono as we are speaking na karam da dino me makoy bi tembo metay ni akap joba da tan la bakam dinni mo kemese na mem makoy kabrin na da sanji fula nin karu woro konto kono na mel yalan ko ne makoy na mol mel
and the other misleading statement bayo okay you can continue
so na mel fana makoy kadaka jara loke
woni wol mankili
ni fana no mankili na mur ko rek fana na doku kota wol mel yalan ke na silol mel doku aga sila ko men ko ka nyaaji ka pole na jo so kana ko dirkam era ko dolle o doku silole
ya
lo doku so nyaaji be president wala diamo kono wala nan ko president we will keep making busy anila minister e mol bal VAR lale
anon bayo
mel yalan ha
he said this explicitly akal bugam balito fangako. And this is very sad. The president who claimed to be the most informed citizen in the country, amalong van kal kambalito ko, akal bukam balito ko for either amalong or, with all due respect, he's just trying to mislead the people.
Yeah, he's just trying to mislead the people because yalong, West Coast yalong who feels it knows it better. Moment he who feels it knows it better because West Coast goal yalong one thing they be wonderful. Yankuwa leadership is always very clear to the people. Kabrin nata, the council mo taraje mention balit ko keno. Track the killing no taraje and trop play. Jani ba fo ndol be fen sila wol be tinya. Nat naka payroll ke am fasun trop killing sotan. Yamwe anin ka company sama company no ya ko ni partnership. Pour ka mission na service na molla. Parce que après comment ala akin to ko la motol natale na motol bi da kam community nyamol collab nyama ban ko kam right now abena ka ko ani la MP ko fonta malito fel la ni black.
So imagine all that going on. A whole president of the country karalo banta bato dula membe waralen ko SSP ikaralo sata obete me ka fo ko bukam balito fangoko. That is very sad.
So membe you will do comment même fo wala do yalla woni fa me o sabu ni yaje raison be yimbe fola amanke ndala jero da manke ko malo yalla ko men ni man fen soto no mola yalla ni ko men ni nata mola e ko be mo keskisla bari imam fen soto no wala be men kala be kawala la ka fo le ko man ko ni ma no kan ni mo be kelo na ame kawala kan.
To our Congress, if you can convince them, confuse them.
Confuse them. Thank you. Yes. If you cannot convince them, confuse them. So that is very good. So Elafrika Woleke Bari, Itakila Nota, the West Coast people are very aware. Whatever, coming 2017 Canavasa, President Maro Lahidi Jelly, West Coast Nkola, Maya Long American.
How far with the Wi-Fi promising? How far with that one?
That will never happen. The street light project will never happen. The Wi-Fi project will never happen. These are all stories. And when if I allow nuclear, when nuclear back, Ekoka play Britain West Coast Nkola Hakinola. Yajele, because President we are longer, they lie don't milk West Coast. He like the back. Ibrahim Sila na kala hidole menye silo dokula menye silo donko ndolla silo mel dokula ama era comme ça idol president Barola mansa kunta ko idol fo le bo silo dokula la jannim bi kasi brigade gida silo ko idol ko e bo silo dokula jannim bi ko ba fita silo do kono itol ko do kula mina ne ma do kuno jalba Johnson ko be jod kula janim bi kasi ta ko ka be banna jan
ya nga understand ko yal override le wo silolu bela they are the ones who supposed to itol nga daga do ko yal override then
it's record we can challenge them silo ka befo dole silol be jalla ko be mala itol ko no alim tol mo silol ma itol ko do sitole itol bina o silol do kula e ko julo se to World Bank le itol mina la ka o silol do kula por sai ni mina o silol do kula
la ni World Bank ko do la beta pale
ya biha ade tapale ya kese lo kana ko mina kada ibe koronto den kasi ka projerol bondi because il a fait julo le tala dugo ni aji mas limbali abe damento wandi fa ni masa kunda limbali abe damento masa kunda ka boyito landi boy ka boyito mel landi boyito ka landa tambi bari kana bur ko tan wala la tambi boyito ka fen dépense be jata fo boje o masa kunda be banko ka fen dépense me ya lonko wala siare telefon le men hayma ko nyanta ka wala dem ay banko dundi julora annun ka dun julora nyame be batala wala nyama na marsandiso dabe ser la wala nyama na balobe kole ala wala nyama biko be dun kan julora to abe ko comme misal fe nin konko bela di moment ni me di moment ni man do roke di moy make di mo di e ka bata wala nyama. So that is what is actually happening to many banko. President Brown ala nyemo e julol le tala ke fam force because you know iman na na moment kakani e botala kan nyote male patap ka burun ni kan ko yanda ka burun
yes
without julol le tala kana ta ke jarabi.
But I still want us to come back to the roots, to the West Coast when it comes to the reevaluation and the assessment of properties within the West Coast region. I think you need to tell us about that because nalonko wadam mafamu unyanda kenola sababotle pour aller ko di jama dino sufficient enough maybe even more than 5 million to each ward because niya ibe sense and property member balla bla de famate assist lale. I think the last one was several years ago. Ka metale biri last one onyinge at least KMC la fonga banda kala 20.
When the last evaluation occurred 2005 2005
so you see
2005 and in tema
20 years
sanyi mo so yeah sai baji sanyi mo bunjelle lota West Coast kono sanyi mo kono hotel jelle lota West Coast kono sanyi mo kono.
No, economically for well batani nyame finance economically alla revenue batani nyame bank wala nyiliko ye property value nu nyang otumo $500,000 korda mansia so niko korda mo $500,000 nadi they pay I think 2,000 is it 1,000 or 2,000 then niko ko 1 million another 2,000 ela niko another $500,000 so property be value in diamond to be world ni korda value nu komen go $500,000 nem nu say maybe wamu 10 million nati ni korda value nunko ni mu $2,000 kenolti maybe aka 300 or 400 bi most of develop no like multi-million property me alon ko abe jarela 5 to 10 million but still now about 2005 rates abole jokan this is what these people are dealing with. This is sick.
Yeah, amanda yeah woni fa e kanyi evaluation on ni for example ko ngada am to fo bi birkama be yuruwa di bunjelle lota birkama kono busumba lameng airport banyun dik bijulo am Costa paradise view sukra kersing bijulo tranquille brufut tanya bi kora jelle boto menal ko da barka mo le wolti essentiel jelle boto amino compagnies le boto bi ni
and I think the typical example will be, for example, in year 2005, Korda Bembulunga Korda, so let's say in Brikama or Busumbala, right? So Korda maybe not Bundingo Loje, Prumoke Laje, Puromarika J Cantanya, right? Monko Dosoka Bill Natu Wenyam. So property can say maybe Bundin Kilenda and that's it. Okay? So you evaluate at that time, you're going to go to like 300 job per year or 500. But say no Bunken Loje Mealogo is $1 million or more. So nyandaka 2,000 or 3,000 but say nyambe 200 joga. This is a typical situation and scenario. So this is not even a serious government. These people are not serious.
Yes. So coming like okay, what we're doing now, government ke wala nyinti ko. Okay, netra ila panema with a proper valuator, what we do is that threshold. We put the threshold 0.7, 0.6 use, and then by 5. So now multiply by 500 to 2,000. So that any property may have or investment property.
So is it like every 500,000 is 2,000, right?
No. If your property is let's say is more than 500,000, you pay 2,000.
Yeah.
Okay, in real time, if it is more 1 million or more than 2 million, the more higher, the more you pay 2,000.
Yeah, well, every 500,000 is a 200 multiplier.
Yeah, but
2,000.
Nyaja buka collect no sai wala ni and nya ta debe luwa so la ke ka inyanta ka wulu lejo. So but
Yeah, because that's for commercial, yeah.
Commercial ni obe value na ta raw kana ka nama e value ka nyama based on property ni value the value mu be ibena jela ko taw mo be ya business okay gesa so babu wala an je ni yata je value wata kawala wuli kembe jono council property jelle be wesko so me alo go sawala yenta ka wuli kembe jono wala ka million so de la jawalto but u be man tra kam because me ke masakuna man silo di kat la so yo bege so yil be mu parawol me batal me alo go bi te kam na council al order ka but only for call it ye baro ni ka afu baro ko not back ala fa ko NPP council beje ata NPP government ye make wole milad ni member solo was milad
Yeah, exactly
milad na CRR member solo wole milad
Basse.
ni e ka basse an order people because b
In fact, Basse marché notale so much data feka ilamol ka birka ilamol ka internet or at some point feka West Coast Gold sana wiya ka feko anyandam fula yanku balal.
Basse la marché ni to lañu West Coast marché wol to jora e fitno boy no wal kanji parce que kabrin fode benuje fode danjo benuje bar sa kabrin tol fon la yo marché o ko ya dira ko ina fulo be jot la ba ko bar ngam fo wala jintu ko wala jinta kala ba fo mo ngam ko la fulo jinta ka bar men kala wala jintu ko bar ko mo hamel ka West Coast so puri sinana ka bunda yere pour ko kolol ta kana murti kundu manda ko kolol kono because imal la transparency imal la accountability wala imal la ka moje be yalo ko be lam wala tinne ko ka kiyam ko da bo kala ka council but one thing is very clear one day they will be failed many times they will be failed. They have nothing against the council because the council is delivering to the people of West Coast. The Gamma council is delivering to the people of West Coast. The Gamma council is ready to do the job. That's why we said our is don't steal, don't lie, job wreck.
Okay, abaraka bayo. Bari so kuda program on inda amendila baka, but I hope tomorrow I hope we're gonna hear from you. And the conversation will continue. A lot more to dissect when it comes to this topic. Maybe we'll for suwala ko kama ni sama hajul kama very soon the program on end. But actually ninga broadcasting end I will call you nga link okay then priyama ko you just click it ibaje la ko na studio do jang online studio ni do recording ni nga se download ni se complete yama.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you so very much, Bayo. Yeah, just before I conclude, so literally, this is the typical problem of Africa and more specifically the Gambia. I don't see ourselves, I don't see Gambia digging ourselves out of this mess unless we are willing to make changes. There is no such thing as there is no such thing like money expect Baro. I mean no I tandile after men financial I follow. So this is you can already compare Baro muneke birasita ma fenke West Coast ngole. In fact Baro la first time for Yankuba Benunje Yankuba Mandraje. Okay? I muneke tous anana sa yanko be ka fo ko in fact imagine president Messi the president yala sanyi tan saba astaghfirullah sanyi tan bumburum the biggest region in the country among fenke tout unada kana lo aka fo ko sa na lafta nga fenkale ali me select alkayna makato bayali albola bonde la nali abonni ndena dogo kare ya baro lafta jutla West Coast I know I really believed in those people and I count on them to take this seriously and punish Barrow accordingly. Let his punishment be measured by the depth of his actions. How dare you go for moleko ndebal mako ele nga jandoku nali alla kare bondi. And while you say that, you say a whole lot of things, they are misleading. Ko ibuka gabejol ko ibafule fa ko you know ibabeke kan sonko damalti jang ite fo na sonko boyga ite fo na sonko boyga you brought in a governor me alon ko momang carte fa. You see, we need a whole lot of administrative changes in that country. Momo gonna president do ko bebul because these governors, they agitate me, they irritate me. Governor momang carte fa ni la public administration elected official ka sembo be so ni la ko so ma fe kana da karamodo ni da karamodo ba je talo fana carte ni mol le nyanta ka carte faye pour sembe do biye pour sa so no but non de sembe do biye you should not even have it ite ba tar mol la banko ko ba marala wala mo man carte faye di aditi alan ko bar o banko kam mol ka carte la faye pour ka maralo including me ite samana e sindo dollar na ni ba ma ko la administration ko la ye ka tlona nyati ge fine but it implementation and execution of policies ite o kenola fo ite ye council encroach. I mean, it is sad what we are witnessing in our country. It is indeed very, very sad. A whole head of state, Kalo Banko Betema, a government lego 1,200 stall capacity, left all lolale. I mean, don't le follow him for Jayala wala na promise, political promise or mole hakil to ye. Telephone agency valagala a second term. Mebunekela 7 markets, 1,000 capacity, more much. I feel like he's not going to be able to do it. 7 markets. So Barrow killing the farm folk and killing. And we know he is not willing to do it. We know that he doesn't want to do it. Because I feel I can remember in the Senate, if it happens that West Coast will not cut for young Kubaino. At the window, just in a hypothetical world, because never 2026. So that means he is going to continue to punish them because he cut off a moment. I mean, so now we should respect him as president. But I think he is not going to respect the people of West Coast based on the choice he may make. And yanku wala bondi ye modo ke je na ta kamal la fala because adabe me tan ko wala nyiko na lafta ngal la jan doku albe mo le kele je me alon contest na se dogo ke no lafta la aka NPP candidate do. And NPP is really anu nga jela nyen doku diamu blaro barola nyen fenke blaro. This guy was a particular elected official was speaking there. Me alon ko Gambia wala tina. Gambia is a land of interesting stories. Ni ken no men diamu raje ndefa mo jana mo le en ko la ko nyoko he alla kare diamu rabe brigameria council maka ngai je juma kare ko ha ngai ai da bola guro mo kundalo ata men to BAC ma odlaro but after mbiji na raje ko president fana man ko okay maybe this was something me alon ko agreed to go be they will go hard on BAC but saying me en jakar wo mare ni na court this very senior official mello da jay Brikama area council chodi ate bakilim fakili nyoy Brikama area council ko do la sunya aborta ay gambe famo bele bula because kabri ya jamala taymo ate mello da bi baro dala nyi dolar before baro microphone ota ken ningo do bi jay microphone ota ay BAC attack ate bakilim fakili nyoy gambe ko do sunya to le o kalam da juna kabri ya jame jamano ay gambe ko do sunya ay ka sunya mi do Brikama area council Brikama area council redo ko kewolta ko do sunya je ametal bela ko do sunya aborta akoto ma ba khalifa ke aborta ba Senegal so biya kana Gambia la ka dunga ka finti kana Gambia la ka dunga ka finti because na ni loi ko nyanta mutala ya bulol na simo city ya sama mail yeah itela family member we Brikama area council ko sunya woni man sa be hide and seek la aka sneak in and out aka na weekend le la ka dunga ka finti bare legally ni amude nyanta sama la kitio ay suñar balga ay millions le suña Brikama area council that same Brikama area council ite na lo podium ya politiko ka modum kula nin telamu ntete da soto la pour ka lo Brikama ka fo Brikama area council teng Brikama area council de bi ko ita ba kilim fa kilin ño ka birin jamme jamano wala Brikama area council ko do suña ay la ranke zo te ko do suña je be do ko ja ko do suña je e boy atata e boda cross ama bare baro ñala ta ñina mulun nala because ila intelligence network ko mambe da ila undercover police network ko mambe da aka sneak in na kana weekend ola alla sate to kombo je fonta afana lo kombo je ndet bla fa barate alo akilima dol fon yala of course dol fon be Brikama area council they may not know but many made Brikama area council obviously they already know who I am talking about. We know these files from long time ago. Mbesirin dollar file kana we don't talk about them because they don't open their mouths. But this man, and I'm not even trying to make this look like an attack, but I enjakale. How can you, because area council lema, how can you even criticize those people when your own biological brother stole from them, and this is not based on mere, allegations. Boy. Yeah, boy. Just come and face accountability because sunyale. Conveniently now he's in Senegal for a very long period of time. Imagine that. Imagine it mola kodo sunya ite kodo mai mola kodo sunya fo do malamba baglim fagli we mola kodo sunya e bora e boda cross I cancel la kodo la fon sunya de ite kata lo president balay ka fo sunya ro and ite fana fon you have a record of stealing you were fired wala na UDP nalbe molto mon elected position ala kilo ñu ko to ke basira ni fraud case la basira ko mon tol comme na e kon fenkere kon na controversy siatal but we would have told you ko analen tol la moy no mbafal kanata ñu ko do nun do ko la Gambia ya bay bank do ko la because I fraud like. But you see, when we try to shut each other down, this is what happens. When we see red flags, we will keep quiet because otherwise you think we want so we have to filter some of these people. Inshallah, UDP nalbe tombondiro la alnga mol filter because you never know UDP la tombondiro ka mareta la bank president. We have Barrow here now. Barrow is the president of the Republic of the Gambia. Ndelenga tombo. Ngani do sona tombo afela en jamfa tata SSP abe kumo sifa be fola. Abe tirum fraud like fraud. Ya abe do ko la base banto. Ya bayje because of fraud. But how did you drop the ball? I'm gonna blame them, to be honest, but I'm gonna blame my party as well. Let us be vigilant. Let us scrutinize and filter these people. Every time they can hurry. What can you say? If UDP go for, if you will take responsibility, no mistake okay by selecting the party. Because this has a fraud during the Jamedes. A fraud like it. But we don't have a fraud for Naka another funky Samaritan on Madi, Mako Ila Madi Buru, Barabarabu, Alta Alia Samanalco Kari, Alfreding Saf and Dakalo, Sunyar Kumo for Molly. Alanga Hakel today. Alanga Hakel to UDP. Not on Mondrimo, be Wolver State House. Not on Mondrimo, be Wolver Deputy Old Menalongo. He flipped another National Assembly, Deputy Ultra Far in Yamango, Doling Tombo, in Jamfa Dolbe NPP. Nsafa Baby NPP, because Barola and Molda. Imagine that. Dolmo elected many along go ba South can already ne tambo hani banta misanji fula len to ledro he flipped it araboro dolbi je won flipped it araboro boyta he get nominated intelle la mon mol bet what we need to be careful as to who we select. So what I think moving forward, but in some council at the end of the day tomorrow you end up being the president. We have to make sure this selection of a kana can draw ko ngaranga mbong regional moliela primary ye molme ya applied wrong. No, you apply, that's not final. That list can never be final. It should never be final. That list needs to come to the headquarters committee yesi ya jibe jumalet benyi listo kono ye toli jibe ye kisisiro ke koma without even calling them. Background check ukola ene sindiye momaje jahara ini yesi. Because it's only through that way that it's a model many along you fraudster. Me along I fraud like a bank. Gambia. Fraud. In the National Assembly. Imagine that. Now man been for about you see these are some of the things that can happen. UDP needs to be careful. We can blame these people, yes, but we have to take responsibility for some of these things. Let's be very, very careful with who we select and elect eventually. Talib Jibi Akata Nyame. Talib should never have been mayor anywhere. Alkalod. Manya nagala coordinator sa ko cabinet yun in UDP. Ndaranga ke mayoti. abe duna yo kono another street kala to meyo yalla ya dia ay mo langa abota meyo yalla abe meyo yalla ala enin ro kat lafta president yalla amam president yalla sura ka palaso nyin abasa endal dia ko akate ben na UDP palaso memba bulu ngam nga trafa men about la je meyo ya taw sen la bara comme in fact bring nga elect for the second time a control da ko coalition la to winning very ungrateful child wala bo fala mol e menu ma koy mol yete ma koy nyamen first time second time ina da ga si ka lo ka fo mole ko atul bonte ma koy coalition o lente ma koy so bala jela wala ko regardless we have to go for the patriots, we have to go for loyal people. There is no such thing as divided loyalty in politics. Only the absolutely loyal people alienta ka wolelta aliye semento ya no ndani ndolu nale sama na be fon le semento ya la nali yeje ko he bari de be fon semento ya kan ba be jila la kulun kono. Simple as that. When they come with their own agenda, they will try to power themselves, so they consolidate themselves in power and cement their way forward. Nal ko be nyene ke kan ibafalande be jila boso, and this is what they're gonna do. Some of them itara baroya, some of them come talibla case krenya felenda first. Local government has never been a problem. In all the other elections after presidential election, nga sambale for the last 2 election cycles, nga sweeple. But also, banko nyinkam problemo dol kana findinang because of the caliber of people many alongo wale can trick such as the Bensoudas. The Bensoudas of the world. You have the Umar Dabos of the world. Very ungrateful soul. You think that you are everything. The Farmada Jawaras of the world. Just because you have been loud doesn't mean nothing. When the problem emerge, bring problem of caring. Alianda lula korosiral. Kaberinje. But so good. Ala baraka baga men nyimba mo nyimba dana inshallah ala baraka ala tiloto diala. But ñu conversation ko aba continue lalde baro mine normal 2026 because nga mara jani dafa lolo platform de ba fa lay fay ko ha ntel be malam ba fa la ñadi yankuba 2027 ina ñande mira la fontol ni dafa ni tol ni te talata 2026 ya len dafa man la fi ñu ko nga jam fa baake baro ko because nga même plan na be tala ñam nga kilo men hayna na madna fo ñam nga kilo men hayna nam baro la ko ntel na tetema gambe taw kilo ata host la no for 12 months ndefe ni nyanda class la kabut next year soma kono ya ona sane kadu winda kono ni nyanda class la wala banko to kelo nyin ata fudino la for full one year ni be mem busala be du bala because you are going down ndetu laje you are going this time around you are going ika fere o fere ke me kaunda fere o natla ni ga sunyaro ka hana abe jare lam fanale nga ka sungolti bari be bolo dular. This time around, you are going. Intimidation lambang, inducement lambang, anything you can make, you have to go. You cannot stay in that country as president. Your time is over. But Sanji Tang, India from Beretta. Sanji Tebe Banko is the biggest region in your country. The most densely populated, Iran population not half of baby diamond. Imam temporarily ke Sanji Tang president ya kola ikana sika foleko na lafta na Sanji Tang kola lafta nyinne kelale bara alla president membeje e alla ale men select pour ka kala chairman de area council alwo bondi je nale abondi jentami ngal makoy ite be je Sanji lulu chairman be je ni men da be fule kili e ba fa saka ye fani fa ye mala ba fa nyadile ye fani fa yol be ke odulat o birga area council ibe deren tuk kurtu jolawol ga daje ibe deren tuk mole men lom fa koyta wala nyini ko wolbe men no maje wala fani fayo ni kurtu fayo as far as the chairman is concerned that's what that wala mo retiti dan doko because doko when it comes to the resource we saw nothing man fenje we saw nothing amel lo wala ko do le kasara and what came out publicly kurtu fayo even when that happened what did you do? You gracefully itata yo mari embrace and you empower them. You don't even care about the people of West Coast region. You don't even care. But you were, very cozy and cool with that person as all those things were unfolding. You don't even care about the people of West Coast. So, what the point that you're trying to make here, for West Coast, in fact, for West Coast, the biggest problem is not even a market, by the way. It cannot even be the market. It cannot be. Problem. Who tell you ko brigama ngola problem for market all? This whole market BS from it should die. People need their lives to be improved. People need something on the table. Tell them how you're going to employ their kids. Tell them how their kids are going to get quality education. I saw the elderly people and everybody in the country. How are you going to make sure that when they go to the hospital, they are going to get good treatment? Oxygen machines will be there. They have to be assured when they go into the surgery room, if they need it. Electricity will not go out. There will not be blackout while they lay on a surgical bed, being operated by a surgeon. Yemol asoko healthcare system ona da mealanko ala musolde wulula je ka fa. These are the things that you need to be telling the people of West Coast, not this market BS. The market for, if you are not falling to improve the lives of the people, the market can remain as it is because at least domorol wife in jail. But what are you willing to do to improve the lives of the people? This is what the leaders need to be telling the people when you come to them. You don't tell them no, come and tell them what you're going to do with their hospitals, the schools, how you are going to make sure that you bring creativity to the youth. This is what you need to be telling the people. Kanalo la kada nyi marché diamo ni ko ba dala diamo ni kolonto malamba fala nyadi kolon dala sila diamo. What is this, Mr. President? Stop embarrassing me. And by the way, I don't forget about Anin Jamela ko naku tije ani ya Jamela ko naku tije. But anyway, my program nyambada na nyana bayran so gura ba. Bayo, I think I need to reach out to you, Janibela. Thank you so very much, guys. I think we're gonna continue this conversation tomorrow. I'll be out and about but inshallah we expect that we will go early and come back early. So we will continue to add our voice to the conversation. Thank you everybody and have a blessed night. Allah baraka back for Shama inshallah.